Hi guys, this is Supriya and I'm back again with my second video on Core Java series. And in this video, I'll let you know how to download and install JDK file. Okay, and in the previous session, we have seen what is Java and what are its some important features. And I also told you what is a JDK file, what is JRE, and JVM. In this video, I'll let you know how to download and install Java and configure it into your system. Also, I'll let you know how to download Eclipse, and we will just write one small program in Java and check if everything is up and running. Okay, so let's start. So we will first download Java. So you need to go to Google and you will type in over here JDK. Okay, now what is JDK? JDK is Java Development Kit, which includes JRE, Java Runtime Environment, and JVM, Java Virtual Machine. And JDK provides you the environment to develop an application or website in Java programming language, and you can also execute the application on your platform, on different platforms. So for execution, it provides you the different type of libraries, and libraries are different, the collection of classes and methods. These classes are predefined classes and methods are predefined methods that you can use to write a Java program and execute it. Okay, so JDK is Java Development Kit, which provides the environment. All right, so once you enter JDK in your Google search, it will bring you all the links related to Java, and you need to click on the first link, and you need to just download this JDK file. Okay, after the download is being completed, your JDK file will take a path to C drive. You can find it over C drive in programs, program files. You will find a folder over here, Java, and you can see JDK, and whatever will be the latest version. So for me it's 13.0.1. so and the JDK keeps on upgrading, so you will find different versions at different point of time. So when I downloaded, it was 13.0.1 version, so you can see that. And after you download it, you can see the path in C drive, program files, and there will be a Java folder already taken up there. And after that, you have to set the environment variable for JDK. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, so let's see how to set the environment variable path. For that, you have to right click on this PC, okay, and go to properties. All right, and you'll go to advanced system settings. Under this advanced tab, you will click on environment variables. Okay, and in this section, system variables, you'll select path variable. You'll click on edit, you will say new, and you will copy the Java bin folder path. Okay, so this is how you do that. So you'll go to C drive, program files, Java, where is Java? Okay, so Java, JDK, and bin. Okay, this path you have to copy and you have to paste it over here. Okay, over here. I have already copied and pasted and set the environment variable path, and you have to do for yourself, okay, like this. And you'll say okay, you'll close all the windows by saying okay, okay. So here what you have done, you have set the environment variable path onto your system, and you have included all the JDK libraries. These are all the DLL files, okay, and you have given that path in your system. So you have configured JDK now. You can write a program in Java now. You are all set, okay. Now where will you write the program? There should be a tool to write a program. So for that we have a latest the very famous tool, or you can say editor, to write the program, any program, like be it Java or be it in PHP or JavaScript. So the tool is Eclipse IDE, which is integrated development environment. This tool is used, or it acts as an editor to write any Java program or PHP program or JavaScript program, or even Perl or Python program can also be written in this editor, which is Eclipse IDE. So how to download this? What we will do, we'll go to Google again, and we will just type Eclipse IDE over here, or you can say Eclipse IDE download, and you'll get so many links related to that. You'll just click on this link, okay, and you will download this latest version. All right, after the download is complete, in downloads folder you will find let me just go to downloads. You will find such exe file that is downloaded. You will run this exe file. After the installation is completed, you will get this welcome window. Okay, let me just open that welcome window. You will get such welcome window, and you will select the option, which is the first option that you will be selecting. So if it is a PHP developer, he will select PHP Eclipse IDE for PHP developers. If the program needs to be written in C or C++ programming language, then this option needs to be selected. Or if it is JavaScript, then the developer will select this. But for us, we will be selecting Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So you will select this option. After you select this option, your Eclipse will be downloaded, and you will get the option to set a workspace. Okay, so workspace means whatever program you will be writing in this tool will be saved in that workspace path. So if you want to, once you get the pop-up asking you to save the workspace, the path will be set by default, so you can select that. However, you can give your own path as well, okay, or you can change it at any point of time in middle. All right, so if you go to file, you go to switch workspace, and you say other. So for me, the workspace is C drive, users, Supriya Mishra, Eclipse workspace. So this was a default path that I selected, but if I want, I can give another path as well, or if I want to change it, I can change right from here. Okay, so let me just so now I have Eclipse IDE also installed in my system, which I can use to write my Java program. So Eclipse IDE is an editor tool, okay, and you need to download this as well. And let's write our first program. So as you can see, Now all this will not be there when you first download this. It will be like a blank screen. However, you just need to go to File, New, Java Project. So a project will be created for you, like I have created my project Java Sessions, and sorry, I have this project Java Sessions, okay, and I have the JRE system library file. So remember, we have set the environment variable path. So it took, like Eclipse, after it was downloaded, it set the path. It has taken that path for JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment, the libraries, by itself. So you don't have to integrate Java libraries with Eclipse manually. Eclipse will do it automatically. All you need to do is you need to set the environment variable path, okay, that we have already done. Okay, once Eclipse is downloaded, it will identify the JRE path and it will do it by itself. Okay, and you can see it like this being configured in Eclipse as well. Okay, so as I said that we have to create a project, okay, Java project. You have to just give a name, a meaningful name. So I've just given Java Sessions, and the moment you expand it, you will find the JRE system library, okay, and you have this. So let me just expand this as well. So see, so many jar files you can see the libraries, JDK libraries, okay. These are all the DLL file that we have seen earlier in the bin folder. So they are all the JDK libraries, the predefined classes and methods that we will learn more about in later sessions. So this is all JRE, Java Runtime Environment. There will be a default source folder, and in this source folder you will just create one package. You will right click on this source folder and you will say package, okay. So I'll say Java practice, okay. I've just given any meaningful name and say finish, and here I go. I have my package over here. I'll create a class, Java class, okay. So I'll just say new. I've just clicked on, right clicked on the project, Java practice project, and I'm so sorry. This is a project. Java Sessions is a project. Java practice is the package that I have created, and inside this package I'll create a Java class. So I'll click on class over here and I'll say Java basics, okay. And your class should start from capital letter. All right, you will select public static void main method. I'll tell you what this main method is. For now, you just need to create a class, and for creating a class, you will name a class and then you will select this checkbox, okay. And we will just write the small Java program over here to check if we have our everything got configured on our system or not. So oops, sorry about this. I'm going to print a small statement on this console window. So I'll just say hello world, and I'll run this. I'll just save this first and I'll run this. So you can see hello world is being printed on my console. Okay, so we are all set now, and in the next video I'll tell you more about Java. I'll be telling you how to write simple code in Java, simple program in Java, okay? And I'll let you know what is this package, what is this class, what is this main method. Everything I'll tell you step by step. So if you just don't break the chain of these core Java series, and I'm going step by step so that you understand every single single concept in Java, core Java topic. So I want you to go in a flow. Okay, whatever videos I'm uploading, you just need to listen to them very carefully. If you have any questions or any feedback you want to give to improve my teaching skills, you can just write it inside the comment box, and I'll just go through them and implement it if I can. Okay, so with this I'll end this video, and see you in the next video then. You have a great day ahead, and take care of yourself and stay healthy, stay safe at your home. Goodbye, see you in the next video.